Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the NewzBeat presented to you by Ladies Like. Follow the abandoned shoes and shattered windscreens, wrestlers' memorials, and bloodstains are reminders of those who die every day on the Kampala-Masaka highway. The road links central Uganda to the west and is well known for gruesome accidents. 50 people died over the last 3 months, and 20 died at once last month. Uganda has one of the highest rates who have responded with strict laws and penalties. Fika Salama is a new traffic operation meant to improve driving conditions. The operation aims at creating driving discipline through laws, responsibility, and police vigilance. The Kampala-Masaka road connects Tanzania and Uganda to Democratic Republic of Congo. Police have mounted brigades on the highway, and vehicles in poor conditions are being towed away. Drivers without a license or who are speeding face heavy fines or even 6 months in prison. It's not Ferdinand Marcos was finally put to rest. Our reporter MC Loy is here with more.
Last week, former Philippine dictator Ferdinand Marcos was laid to rest at the country's hero cemetery in the capital Manila amid protests. Many Philippine citizens were incensed by the manner in which the Marcos family kept the burial a secret, as the former leader's resting place has been a bitter debate for decades. The opponents argued that burying a plunderer, murderer, and a massive human rights violator at the hero cemetery mocked the triumph of the people revolt that ousted the dictator, as Ferdinand Marcos, who ruled the Philippines for 20 years with an iron fist, was eventually ousted by a largely non-violent uprising in 1986. The vanquished tyrant then fled with his family to Hawaii, where he lived for 3 years until his hometown in Ilocos North in 1993, where it has been displayed in a glass coffin for all to see. However, his family were not content and fought for his remains to be transferred to the hero cemetery. The current Philippines president Rodrigo Duterte buried there as a president and soldier, and a honorable burial for the dictator was illegal. And contrary to public policy, morals, justice, and the law, they were all dismissed a week before the burial. The former dictator's family, who returned to the Philippines in 1990s, have once again managed to become powerful politicians, representing Ilocos North, his province. The late dictator's wife, Imelda Marcos, has been elected 4 times to Philippines House of Representatives, despite ongoing corruption controversies that date back to her late husband's time in burying him in the hero cemetery. And naturally, the media was banned from the ceremony. I'm MC Loy, reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, MC Loy, for that report. The African YouTube Awards are finally here. Our reporter Big Ben is here with the details.
The social media has become a vital medium of African creators as the internet access has increased on the African continent over the past 10 years. And in 2 years, Africa has managed to double the social media content, resulting in large audiences from within and beyond the continent. It is due to this development that the American tech giant Google launched the first ever YouTube Sub-Sahara Creator Awards to celebrate Africa's gifted creators who have shared their content to the website. With the rest of the awards were given out to the African creators. The creators had to have a minimum of 50,000 subscribers on their YouTube channels and be residents on the African continent to make the finals. Nigeria's top subscriber creator was a popular children's show called Mark Angel Comedy, and the top Nollywood channel award went to Ibaka TV. Kenya's Kengai Mwiti of NTV stand-up comic show Chacho was also a winner, along with Jim Luruchi, whose channel focuses on fighting jiggers in Kenya. As Ghanaian rapper Sarkodie also won top subscribed creators in Ghana, Relaxing Harmonic channel and the Yellow Brick Music won top subscribed creators in South Africa, and the International Gold Play button was also awarded to Yellow Brick Cinema for reaching 1 million subscribers. Uganda's Ann Kansima was also rewarded for her comic talent as she scooped both the top subscribed creator in Uganda prize and the comedy award to the event. The awards are made to highlight Africa's creative talent and strengthen the tech company's commitment to the continent, as the video sharing website has given many African creators an opportunity to express their views and connect with their audiences while earning some revenue. I'm Big Ben Sukuyana Mompe, reporting for NewzBeat. Bene.
Thank you, Big Ben, for that report. Originated in Uganda in 2011 to empower participants socially and economically. Each year, the event is organized in Uganda and Kenya. Host participants from around the world enrich the event with practical skills, knowledge, inspiration, and experience on YouTube platforms with the overall aim of cultivating positive enrichment in breakdance and hip-hop culture in Africa. The activities include educational workshops, discussion, competition, performances, showcase, and exhibitions. Female breakdancers took the floor with their hardcore moves, and Nambariwa Joanna Jojo finally won the female.
Call each and everyone who's outside there. I'm talking about to girls, because I know all the time you fear yourself. Be like me, be yourself, because it's fun all the time. If like you're pissed off and you go for dance, man, you chill up your mind and you're like, yeah, now this is me.
Thank you, Joanna, for such a beautiful inspiration. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.